Spy tactic number 15. Research your competition online like this. If you want to know where your competitors are headed, what is working for them, and where they may be vulnerable. Researching them online is essential. The internet leaves a clear trail of clues. Keywords, content, advertisements, backlinks, reviews, and even hiring patterns all reveal signals about what a business is doing behind the scenes. Learning how to read these signals gives you insight many businesses completely overlook. This type of research is not about copying. It is about gaining clarity, sharpening your positioning, and making smarter decisions faster. Why research your competition online? Analyze strengths and weaknesses. Study what competitors do exceptionally well and where they fall short. Customer complaints, bad reviews, and unanswered questions often reveal gaps you can exploit. Their strengths also show the standards your market already expects. Benchmark performance, comparing traffic, backlinks, advertising, and social engagement helps you understand where you truly stand. This is not about ego. It is about setting realistic goals based on real data instead of guesses. Identify market gaps. Competitor research reveals what is missing: underserved audiences, ignored topics, or poorly delivered solutions often represent the biggest opportunities for growth. Refine market positioning. Studying how competitors position themselves helps clarify how you should differentiate. You will quickly notice which messages are overused and where a clearer, stronger angle can set you apart. Stay ahead of changes. Tracking launches, campaigns, and content shifts keeps you from being blindsided. Competitors often signal their next move online before it becomes obvious. Improve pricing and offers. Monitoring competitor pricing, bundles, and promotions gives you valuable context for your own offers. You begin to understand what the market tolerates, expects, and rewards. How to research your competition online. Act like a customer. Subscribe to their email list, download their lead magnets, or purchase their products. Experiencing their funnel firsthand reveals strengths and missed opportunities. Analyze website and traffic. Traffic tools can reveal where visitors come from, which pages perform best, and how users behave on the site. This helps identify which content and offers attract the most attention. Keyword and content analysis. Identify the keywords driving traffic and the content that ranks highly in search engines. These insights show exactly what your audience is searching for. Review customer feedback. Reviews on platforms like Google, Trustpilot, and social media reveal real frustrations and unmet needs. These comments often provide ideas for improving products and services. Monitor hiring trends. Job postings often reveal internal priorities. They may signal new departments, expansion plans, or technology investments. Hiring patterns often reflect strategy in motion. Set alerts. Google Alerts notify you whenever competitors are mentioned online. This ensures you never miss news, press mentions, or important shifts in strategy. Research, complaints, refunds, returns, and reviews. One of the most revealing searches you can perform about your competitors has nothing to do with their marketing. It has everything to do with their customers' experiences. Periodically search a competitor's name alongside keywords such as complaints, refunds, returns, reviews, or scam. Then carefully review what appears. You may discover recurring complaints about poor customer service, misleading offers, difficulty obtaining refunds, hidden subscription traps, or companies continuing to charge credit cards after cancellation requests. These are not opinions filtered through marketing. They are real experiences shared publicly by customers before you partner with, compete against, or model your business after someone to run these searches. They often reveal exactly what not to do and how you can position yourself as the ethical, transparent alternative in your market. Key online tools for competitor research: Google Search, Trends, and Alerts. Free tools that track interest over time and notify you when competitors are mentioned online. Simple, powerful, and often overlooked. SEMrush and Ahrefs. Industry standard platforms for analyzing keywords, backlinks, traffic, and advertising activity. These tools reveal where competitors invest and where their results originate. SimilarWeb provides traffic sources, engagement metrics, and estimated market share. It helps you understand scale and audience behavior. BuzzSumo identifies high-performing content and trending topics, excellent for understanding what spreads and resonates. Brand24 and Social Blade. These tools monitor brand mentions, sentiment, and social growth. They reveal audience reactions in real time. Closing thoughts. Researching competitors online is not spying for curiosity. It is strategic intelligence gathering. Every keyword, backlink, advertisement, and review leaves a footprint. Learning to read those signals replaces guesswork with informed decisions. Over time, consistent observation reveals patterns and blind spots competitors often miss. Those insights lead to smarter positioning, stronger offers, and fewer costly mistakes as your business grows.